Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Oh boy, do we have something special for you guys today. We are starting off our very first series of videos, and we're doing it in style by building the Deagostini R2-D2. For those of you unfamiliar with what a subscription build is, they're very highly detailed models that come in weekly installments that include one magazine and one set of parts. So we'll be launching a video every week to cover each and every issue for you. As this is the first one, we get a little something special, a poster that details what the final product is going to be and just how big it is. While we won't always cover what's in the magazines, they do include a lot of information for those wanting to learn more about the Star Wars universe and how R2-D2 was designed. This also includes information on modern-day robotics and all of the advances we have discovered thus far. When building any model, it's always good to make sure you have all of the tools you'll need. In my case, an Orion magnetic driver kit. I will put a link to this in the description for you. Some crazy glue, brush application, a pair of scissors, and some tweezers with very small needle-like tips. Here are the parts for this issue. We have primary photoreceptor faceplate, right shoulder plate, some screws, a processor state indicator faceplate, processor indicator lens, LED cluster for processor state indicator, LED cluster mounting, LED cluster power lead. These will be the only parts we actually assemble in this issue, with the remaining parts being used in issues down the road. To begin, we're going to want to take the mounting plate and the LED cluster. We're going to fit them together just like so, making sure that these screw holes match the screw holes in the mounting plate. We'll take our screws out of the bag, and now we screw the cluster into the mounting plate. I'm using a J0 size tip for these particular screws, and you want to do this very carefully and do not over tighten them, or you could crack the mounting or the LED cluster plate. Now you may notice I'm not tightening them all the way on the first go, just enough to keep the plate in place while I place the rest of the screws. We'll go back and make sure they're tight later. All right, and there we have it. Step 1 and 2 completed. Now you'll want to take your power lead. The screwdriver doesn't want to stay where it goes. Untangle it. And stretch it out. You want to make sure to take the smaller end of the two, and you plug it in just like so. And now your LED cluster is ready for installation. And there you have it, everyone. Issue 1 of the Deagostini R2-D2 is complete. We do have a few extra parts here that I cannot wait to install and issues down the road. Oh man, I am so looking forward to having this thing done. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you'll know every time we launch a new one. We'll see you next week.